All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's something very exciting. Today we got the Chilliwack Car Show, and we are going to find the most rarest car here. So stick around, you don't want to miss out. Let's do it. They are estimating around 500 cars today and about 20,000 people. So let's check it out. I'm here with Alan, and he's got a pretty cool story about his car.
So when I was 15 years old, I lived in a little tiny town in Manitoba. They were putting water and sewer in, long story. Anyway, one of the guys that were working on the construction there, he had bought one of these, same color, everything, and I always said I was going to have one somehow, some way. I never figured it out until I went to an auction, and this was at the auction in Reno, Nevada. And I bought it at the auction and brought it home. Had it since 2008, and I love every minute of it.
I ain't tired of rock and rollin'. I ain't tired of rock and rollin'. I'll be dancing till the morning. That old music gets me going. Say, hey, yeah, I'm gonna rock it tonight. Guitar
Here's one of my favorite ones, a 1931 Ford special delivery car. Can't get any better than that, especially with the surfboards on tops. Love it.
Okay, the car is a 71-72. It's built out of two cars. It was built in Canada. One of 150 made in Oshawa, and it's a resto rod. It's nothing is original on it. The car was black vinyl top, red. Now it's black over black. It's 454 that's been rebuilt. It's got fuel injection. Roller cam. It's got a Tremec 6-speed transmission in it. It's been lowered 2.5 inches. It's just about done everything you can do with it. And the paint job was expensive. Yeah.
Always is.
Yeah. Otherwise, that's it.
Awesome.
gonna take it for a ride in my brand.
And here we got a beautiful 1965 Mustang.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna show you how the shifter feels, 'cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
favorite cars, the Firebird.
Look at the stars, don't they shining bright? The moon is full, so it's a perfect night. Give me a kiss and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for.
And we've got the Ford GT. Here we go.
Look at the stars, how they shine so bright. The moon is full and makes a perfect night. So come along and close the door, 'cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for. Gonna take you for a drive in my brand new ride. Gonna take you for a drive in my brand new ride. Gonna take you in my brand new
Love it. Love it.
car, and the keys are inside. I'm gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
I can't hear a single thing now. That was awesome.
I'm gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
Well, that's it today, guys. We saw some pretty awesome cars, and to say which one's the most rare, I don't know. We saw 1969 Mustangs, we saw Chevelles, we saw your Camaros, you name it. Yeah. And there was some pretty cool custom builds. So I don't know what was the best, but man, I want you guys to drop in the comments below what you thought was most intriguing, the most rarest, what you thought was special to your hearts, and if you got a story that goes with it, I want to see that too, guys. What a huge turnout. I heard we had over 600 cars today, so big kudos to everyone that came out, to the groups that supported this, all the organizers, you name it. This was a huge success. I hear, like I said, there was over 600 cars, and we definitely filled all the streets of Chilliwack. It was loud. There was something like 20,000 people. Like, my goodness, what an awesome day. So, can't complain. Everyone's clearing out. This used to be full of Mustangs. They're gone now. So, anyways, let me know what you thought was the rarest car out here. I couldn't figure it out, so drop in the comments below, guys. And until the next one, stay cruising, stay safe, and we'll check it around.